This is infrared. And we're in Penn Station so that you don't have to be. It's Sunday, November 12th, 11/12 at 3:50 p.m. 3:50. A Sunday. Cool Sunday, temperature-wise. Any other definition will depend on the viewer. So we're here at 3:50 p.m. on Sunday, 12, 2023, one day after Veterans Day, because we got a notification from, of all places, Notify, NYC. Okay, busy place. That the notification was that Amtrak has suspended, I think, all train service between Penn Station and Albany along the Hudson River line. I don't know what, if any, effect, whatever this condition is that's causing the Amtrak suspension, whether it's also affecting Metro North. We'll find that out in a minute. But first, at 3:50 p.m., 3:51, and 1. This used to be called One Penn Plaza. Big name change. Exit concourse. Please enter trains here. So we're looking for signs of the reported Amtrak disruption, but all of these electronic signs are for the Long Island River. Is an Amtrak departure board. Saying so in the 2 hours that this board covers between never mind. Why are they showing? Oh, standby. All right. Well, this doesn't really tell us, does it? Let's go to the Moynihan Train Hall. For instance, what happened to the 340, train 49, the Lakeshore Limited, I think it's still called that, the only train that Amtrak runs between New York and Chicago. All right, well, no sense of disorder yet. Disorder. Uh-oh. Okay, here we go. So this says the 5:15 Empire service to Albany is canceled, and it doesn't show any other Empire service trains going along the Hudson River. It doesn't say what happened to train 49 to Chicago, but I don't know. Let's see. What are these people waiting for?
That's what I was trying to do.
Attention please. This is the Williams Hall Train Hall 254 on the Substantially, New Haven, Providence, Midtown Train Hall, Boston, West Passengers to proceed.
All right. So, despite the one and only overnight train or train period any time of day between here in Chicago, and despite the cancellation of at least one other train about an hour, a little more than an hour from now, to Albany, it looks okay. Amtrak passengers are adaptable. Right. This is infrared. And this is what you've been watching.